Hi everyone, my name is Anna Sharma, and today I will be demonstrating our groups, which is Group 5's Envisioned technology, aiming to solve the problem of scattered information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. So, to begin with, I want to explain the emblematic problem scenario that elaborates on the repercussions faced by this never-ending enigma, which is the pandemic. So the major problem that we identified as a group was the scattering of relevant information on the internet, such as statistical data about COVID cases in a certain location, for example, or information related to the current news or regulations of a place. So our aim to solve this problem, or an attempt to solve this problem, was to create an app that provides relevant information about the pandemic as a credible means for our users. So users can have an organized and user-friendly feel in order to stay updated about their safety, and they will be able to toggle through our navigation pane and explore and expose themselves to the other features and services of our application. For this presentation, I will be solely focusing on the feature of finding nearby testing centers for our users, and will walk you through an overview of the different features of our applications. I've created demo slides to aid the visual rhetoric and to clearly explore the core values and characteristics of our application, and have used a text box to have a description that reveals the how-to of each page when the user is prompted to use it. So first off is the home screen that shows the user the main services of our application that are in order in blue. The read, learn, and share button hyperlink that provides the user with credible articles that can be shared with others or even saved for later use. The second one is the one that I'm focusing on in my presentation, which is finding test centers nearby. And there's a scroll gray bar on the right corner of the screen, showing that the user could scroll down to view the other functions and services of our app. The next slide shows the testing center's location menu, which prompts the user with 3 ways of allowing the application to provide them with the nearby testing centers information. The first one being search by current location, second one being search by map view, and the third one is to finally search by a certain zip code. In the first option of searching by the current location, the user is prompted with a notification that asks them for permission to access the user's current location. So once this screen pops up, it's a hyperlink that leads to the settings app on the user's device, asking them to click allow while using the app, or allow once, or don't allow. So if the pop-up is clicked at allow while using app, or allow once, so once this feature has been granted access to the current location of the user, as a result, the user will see a screen of the selected nearby current testing locations, and the pinpoint here also states where the user currently is, a number of locations found as a result, and a continue button on the right. Furthermore, the users are able to apply various filters in order to shortlist their search. So these filters could be as specified as miles away, so certain miles away, 5 to 7 miles away only, specified date, view, or distance. And once the apply filters button is clicked, the user will be shown a preview of their final search results. So the search results include the name, zip code, address, and directions of the location. The directions is a hyperlink that, if once is clicked, opens up as a map and can be further opened or viewed in the inbuilt app of maps, which is such as Apple Maps or Google Maps, in order to find the directions. And here is the final page that shows the address of the location and the distance. And that's all. So all in all, my presentation explains how and why our project is helpful to users when it comes to learning about the pandemic. And if there are any questions, I would be happy to answer them.